Hello, uh, my name is I'm Farhan Subsra, and I will presentation about social linguistics in the material introduction to dyslexia and code switching. And this video for me test social linguistics. Okay, introduction to dyslexia and code switching. Dyslexia and code switching are two closely related linguistic phenomena that have significant implications for language use, education, and social dynamic. This presentation will provide a comprehensive overview of this concept, exploring their definition, character, cause, and real-world example, as well as the reason behind the code switching and the broader implication of this linguistic practice. And next, definition of dyslexia and specific definition here. Definition of dyslexia. Dyslexia refers to situation where community used to distant variety of the same language for different purposes. These varieties are typically hiked from use in a formal, of obvious, official, or prestigious context, and allow from use in a more informal, everyday setting. This linguistic duality is often the result of historical, social, or political factor, and it can have significant implications for language use, education, and social certificate within a community. Characteristic of dyslexia. Dyslexia have three characteristics. One, functional specialization. Two, prestige and status. Three, acquisition and fluency. Okay. Uh, Function specialization. In a dyslexic situation, the high and the low varieties of the language are used for different of the complementary functions within in the community. The high quality is typical use in formal, written, and public context, while the low quality used in informal, spoken, and private setting. In function specialization, mostly variety is typical used in formal, written, and public context, but in low variety uh, used in informal, spoken, private setting, gossip, and it should prestige and status. The high variety of the language is generally perceived as more prestigious and socially prestigious, while the low variety is often considered less prestigious or even stigmatized. This can lead to social stratification and inequality within the community. 3. Acquisition and fancy. Individuals in a diagnostic a community usually acquire the low variety as the first language learned informally in the home. The high variety is then learned later. Often the formal education and mastery of the high variety can be seen as a marker of education and social status. Cause of dyslexia. Historical factors. Dyslexia often arises from historical events such as colonization, Language context or the introduction of a standards literally variety of language. Sociopolitical factor. Sociopolitical factors such as a language politics, power dynamic, and economic consideration can also contribute to the development of diglossia. Cultural and educational factor. Cultural normal and educational system can also play in a role the emergence and preposition of diglossia. This is example of diglossia. In Arabic diglossia, Arabic is a prime example of diglossia with high variety modern standard Arabic. Swiss German diglossia in Switzerland, the use of Swiss German the low variety and the standard German the high variety. Creole diglossia. Many Creole languages, such as the Haitian Creole and Jamaica Creole, exhibit diglossis relationship between their lexical language, French and English, and especially uh, the Arab used in a formal written context and low variety, virtually crucial Arabic dialect used in everyday spoken communities. This linguistic cultural dynamic within the Arab world. So in Swiss German diglossia, example diglossia Swiss German in the primary language of everyday communication, while standard German is used to informal, written and educational context. The linguistic duality is deeply inherent in Swiss cultural and identify. So, definition of code switching. Code switching refers to the practice of alternative between two or more language or language variety within the same conversation or discourse. This linguistic phenom- phenomenon is common among bilingual or multilingual individuals and communities, and it can serve a variety of social, pragmatic, and communicative function. Unlike diglossia, which is a social level phenomenon, code switching is an individual level practice that reflects the language ability and communicative competence of speaker. Uh, Code switching is a alter practice of alternative between two or more language or language variety. Uh, Contohnya seperti ketika kita ingin mengucapkan suatu kata dalam bahasa Indonesia, tapi kita dapat menemukannya. Kita hanya menemukan kata itu dalam bahasa Inggris, maka kita bisa menggunakan kata itu menggunakan bahasa itu atau kata itu menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Seperti kata wadaw, adugidau, itu hanya kita dapat temukan di bahasa Indonesia. Jadi ketika kita menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan langsung menggunakan bahasa Indonesia, itu kita sedang melakukan code switching. Dan orang yang bisa menggunakan dua bahasa atau lebih disebut bilingual atau multilingual. Reason for code switching: express identity, filling linguistic gaps, situational appropriateness, conversational strategies. Expressing identity, code switching can be used as signal belong to a particular social or cultural group to convey a certain level of language proficiency or to negotiate one's identity within a multilingual context. Filling linguistic gaps, speaker may switch language to access a word or expression that is more readily available in one language than the other, or to convey nuance that might be difficult to express in single language. Nah, ini sebutin filling linguistic gaps. Ketika kita hanya menemukan kata itu dalam bahasa yang lain, maka kita sedang melakukan code switching. Conventional strategies. Code switching can be used as a communicative strategy to clarify, emphasize, and express a message to establish a approach or accommodate the linguistic prefer of the intercultural situational appropriateness. Speaker may switch language based on the formality of the situation. The topic of discussion or the social context in which the conversation is taking place. So the conclusion and implication, linguistic complexity. Discussion and switching, highlight the inherent complexity and dynamic of language used in multilingual societies. The linguistic phenomena challenge simplistic notion of pure or understand language and underscore the need for a more nuanced understanding of language variation and its social implication. Educational challenge. The presence of diglossia and code switching in educational setting can present a unique challenge as learners may need to navigate different language varieties and accord proficiency in the both the high and the low form of the language. Addressing this challenge require innovative pedagogical approaches and language policy. Three, at last, is social implication. Diglossia and code switching can contribute to social stratification and inequalities as the high variety of language is often associated with practice and the power. Understanding this linguistic dynamic is crucial for promoting social inclusion, language justice, and equitable access to education and economic opportunities. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you understand the presentation about code switching and Nicholas. There's enough for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.